There has been an update where the first arrest has now taken place in the lynching incident that happened in Kapurthala. What is being said that the Punjab police have arrested a Gurudwara manager in the lynching incident that was reported in Kapurthala hours after the alleged sacrilege attempt that happened at Gurudwara in Amritsar at the Golden Temple, and hours later there was what is being said another bid to sacrilege the religious text that had happened in Kapurthala Gurdwara as well. Meanwhile, the police has been saying that there was no bid actually to sacrilege there in Kapurthala itself, but an individual who was killed. The investigation that is being carried out as to who was responsible for that incident there in Kapurthala. Now there has been an update that the Gurudwara caretaker, the Kapurthala Gurudwara caretaker has now been placed under arrest by the police, by the Punjab police. So there has been some development now as far as the investigation that is being carried out. Let me straight away go across to Amandeep right now. Amandeep, this is a big impact that is already being made, whereas what is being said in Kapurthala, first arrest that has been made by the Punjab police.
Well, Amita, first they have amended the FIR and they added the section 302 that is for murder of IPC, and now the first arrest has been made of Gurdwara caretaker Amarjeet Singh, just because he is the one who actually circulated that video in the morning that they have detained a person who tried to sacrilege Nishan Sahib in Gurdwara, and later on he invited all the Sikh outfits and the organizations to decide the fate of that person instead of handing him over to police. And at 7 a.m. the police was waiting outside the Gurdwara requesting the Gurdwara caretaker to kindly hand over that person for the further investigation, but they have not handed over that person to police, and he was beaten to death inside the Gurdwara. Later the body was handed over to police. So now in preliminary investigation it was very much clear it was not a case of attempt to sacrilege of Nishan Sahib, and now even the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has clarified it that was not the case of sacrilege, and murder sections has been added into the FIR. First arrest has been made. Now the further investigation will reveal that what kind of conspiracy it was and what is the reason behind the lynching incident, and why Amarjeet Singh all of a sudden in a panic mode circulated that video. What was the forces behind him who was guiding him to do this? So this all will be revealed and unfolded during the course of interrogation by the police, just because now first arrest has been made. And Amita, on the very next day of that incident, police made it very clear that no such physical evidence has been found nearby Nishan Sahib which can indicate that it was an attempt to sacrilege incident. Later on, Baba Amarjeet Singh was detained by the police, but to gather the support to put pressure on police to derail the investigation, some people protested against that detention and Amarjeet Singh was later released. But now when the entire government and the police investigation revealed that it was not the case of a sacrilege and it was a clear-cut case of murder, lynching, and now the first step has been taken. First arrest has been made, but there has to be some kind of chain and need to be broken by the police, and even the investigation will definitely unroot the entire conspiracy of this incident behind this. On very first day, there are certain people who are actually condemning that lynching is not the word, and even the Rahul Gandhi also tweeted that he never heard lynching before 2014. What about now? It is the Congress government in Punjab. It is the Congress Chief Minister who is releasing the statement that this is not the case of sacrilege and it was a clear-cut case of murder. Now, what about those leaders who are actually questioning the word lynching into this Kapurthala case? It was very much clear on record, on papers. Murder FIR has been registered. Caretaker Amarjeet Singh has been placed under arrest, and further investigation is on to uproot the entire conspiracy behind this scene. Yes, Amita.
Because Amandeep, there is one thing common there when it comes to the alleged attempt at sacrilege at the Golden Temple, and then hours later, this Kapurthala incident came to light. What is being said so far that both of these individuals till date remain unidentified?
Very true, Amita. And in fact, he person could have identified if he could have given to the police before beaten to death, but that was not happened. And now police have circulated the photograph of that person, and police have also taken the DNA of the victim, and information has been spread to the several states and the cities as well to identify that person, to contact his family member. But nobody knows. During the last conversation that was recorded on the video by Gurdwara caretaker Amarjeet Singh, he was telling his name Rahul, and he was telling that he belongs to some village in Bihar. That was the last statement that was recorded on camera. After that, he was beaten to death, he was lynched, and body was handed over to police. So far he was not having any kind of identification proof, and even no ID card, no cell phone, nothing else. So that is the reason. It is a kind of deadlock in the investigation that police is not able to identify that people so far. And in fact now, just because the last custody was with Gurdwara caretaker, the last custody of that victim was with Gurdwara caretaker as well as some Sikh outfits who were present there inside the Gurdwara when the entire incident reported. And now the police will one by one unfold this entire incident, and the possibility cannot rule out that identification may also be revealed by the Gurdwara authorities or some Sikh outfits who were present inside the Gurdwara, just because they are the one who knows everything. They are the one who had the last conversation with that victim, and after that his body was handed over to police. So one part of investigation has been taken into the development that FIR has been registered, section has been amended, one person has been arrested. But second part of the investigation is identification of the victim, that is still pending. Yes, Amita.
But Amandeep, also when it comes to the autopsy or the postmortem that was conducted, what is being said that the person had sustained grievous injury. There was some attack using sharp weapons, and because of that he was grievously injured. That really came out from that postmortem report.
Well, the postmortem report reveals, Amita, that 30 inflicted wounds was reported on his body, and that was with the sharp-edged weapons, possibly with the swords, kadas or some other sharp-edged weapons. Just because it is not just one wound or it was not just one cut on his body, 30 cuts meant a lot. 30 cuts indicates that how brutal killing it was. Just because there was head injuries, there was fractures also, and even the cuts on the other parts of the body as well. When the body has been handed over to police, it was completely lying in the pool of blood, and even his wound was clearly mentioned that how brutal it was. Head cuts, there are so many cuts in his head, sharp cuts in fact, and even that indicates that person was died on the spot, and that was linked to the very brutal killing. So all these things have linked into the police investigation now. So police is now further investigating the matter that Baba Amarjeet Singh was the one who circulated the video. He was the one who actually conveyed the message to the certain Sikh organization to decide the fate of that person, and it was clearly visible that he denied to hand over this person to police. And now the next part of the investigation is who were those Sikh organizations, who were those persons who actually came and participate in that lynching, who were those persons who were actually given these 30 sharp wounds on the body of the victim, who are those who actually given the idea to lynch and to kill that person. This is the part of investigation, and this is also the part of conspiracy behind this entire incident. Even in a video, Amita, we have listened that Amarjeet Singh, the alleged accused of this incident, was clearly narrating the story that at 4 a.m. they heard a sound in a Gurdwara, and when they checked it up, they witnessed this person was in kitchen and having chapatis and having his tea, morning tea. And in fact, when they tried to capture him, he tried to fled from the spot. Later on, they have detained him. The person who was caught inside the kitchen, the person who was having chapatis, and how come you connect that case with the attempt to sacrilege case? So that is the big question. Just because that the entire conversation was recorded on the camera, that turned to be the piece of evidence in that case. So now the police is heading towards the investigation. SSP was very much clear that it was not the attempt of sacrilege case, just because they have physically inspected that site, Nishan Sahib, inside the Gurdwara, and nothing has been tampered into that. And even all the claims of caretaker Amarjeet Singh has fallen flat. He was the one who complained that attempt to sacrilege happened.
Right.
Meanwhile, police have registered the FIR also under section 295A of IPC. But now the investigation is getting mature and sections has been amended. And further, police have arrested one person, many more to come. Yes, Amita.
Stay on with us, Amandeep, because this story is just developing. Right here on the channel, we were the first one to break the news that there was no attempt to sacrilege at all. This was actually fake news that was circulating, unfortunately, led to the death of that individual. Now, that first arrest that has been made by the Punjab police so far. Let's listen into more reactions.
मैं 4 ਵਜੇ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਇੱਧਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ਼ਨਾਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ
ਓਕੇ
ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੀਜ਼ਰ ਚਲਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ 4 ਵਜੇ ਮਾਰਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਈ ਵੀ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਇਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਗੈਸ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਚਾਹ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਚੜਿਆ ਉੱਪਰ ਚੜ੍ਹਨ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿਤੇ ਉਹ ਤਾਰ ਆ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਤਾਰ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਕੱਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉੱਪਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ
ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਆਪੇ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ
ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸੀ
ਗਰਮ ਕਰਕੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਗੈਸ ਪਰ ਗਰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਫਾ
ਕਹਾਂ ਸੇ ਲਾਏ
ਇਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੜਿਆ ਜੀ ਉੱਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਤੇ ਆ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਸੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕੌਣ ਬਸ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਜੱਫਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਭੱਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਭੱਜਿਆ ਦੂਜੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਵਾਜ਼ਾਂ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਏ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਸੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਭਜਾ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਫੜ ਲਏ ਜੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਦਬ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲੈਣਾ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੁਛ ਤੱਕ ਚੱਲ ਗਏ
ਇਹ ਕੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਵੀ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਉਹ ਸੁਖਮਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਇਹਨੇ ਫੋਲਾ ਫਰਾਲੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਸੁਖਾਸਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੁਖਾਸਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਸੁਰੱਖਿਅਤ ਨੇ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ 5 ਸਰੂਪ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਪਏ ਸੀ
ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ
ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ
ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਨਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਨਾ ਸੁਖਾਸਨ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਥੱਲੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਜੀ
ਉੱਪਰ ਗਿਆ ਅੱਛਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਉੱਪਰ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੁਖਮਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਾਲਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਸੁਖਾਸਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਲਾ ਕਮਰਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨੇ ਪੋਲਾ ਫਾਲੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਨਮ ਗੇਟ ਤੇ
ਰਮਾਲਿਆ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਛੇੜਿਆ ਕੋਈ
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ
ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੋਲਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬਣਿਆ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਚੋਲਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸੀ
ਖੋਲਿਆ ਇਹਨੇ
ਉਹ ਖੋਲਿਆ ਜੀ
ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ
ਨਾ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਜਾਨੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਗਏ ਆਦੇ ਫੜ ਲਏ ਜੱਤੇ 3-4 ਵਜੇ
ਚਲੋ ਕੀ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜੱਪਾਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੀ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਭ
ਦੇਖੋ ਗੱਲ